car sales. I'd like to thank everyone for watching this video. Today I'm really excited to have one of our first offerings ever, and it's the 2006 Cadillac XLR-V. I've been looking for one of these cars for a long time, and this one I chose a lot because of the color. It is a low mileage car, 35,000 miles, and just in phenomenal condition. There is one thing that part that just came in and I have to have painted, and that's, you'll notice on the headlight washer on the right hand side, that has not been installed yet. So that's in the process. That will be installed. Please ignore that in the pictures, so the car will look amazingly beautiful. I've had the top professionally serviced as well, checking for any leaks or anything that might cause a future owner from having the problems. Everything else works just exactly as it should. So let's go for a drive and let you really experience the V with its 443 horsepower and 414 pounds of torque. You gotta admire the handling characteristics. You know, with the GM really went to work when they designed the XLR-V and the XLR line as well. I've never driven either one and have always wanted to, but being a one-man dealer, you know, specializing in the classics, I don't get to drive everything. Breaking the tires loose a little bit there when we got on it, up to about 80 miles an hour, which is about the top that I'm going to run because I don't need any more tickets. The car has a fabulous stereo system. Seating is comfortable. All the creature comforts you could really ever want. Cruise control. As you can see, navigation system, auto climate control. Same for the lights, all automatic. Power mirrors. My end goal is to have you do one thing when you receive a car from Precious Metal Classic Car Sales. Simply get in the car, turn the key, or push the button in this instance, and enjoy your new purchase. Let's do one more final performance before we park this thing, and I gotta stay out of trouble. Obviously, you can get out of somebody's way if you need to, but please be cautious.